Skinny arms. How to get bigger arms without weights. If your arms are still skinny, even though you've been doing push-ups, you probably don't need heavier weights. You need to train your arms the right way because your muscles do not know if you're lifting a dumbbell, a machine, or your own body. They know one thing: tension. Make the muscle work hard enough, give it enough food, and let it recover. And it has a reason to grow. So today, I'm giving you 6 of the best bodyweight exercises for bigger arms, plus the simple routine you can start using right now. And pay attention to number 5, because most people completely ignore this movement. Why are your arms still skinny? First, we have to fix the problem. If your arms aren't growing, there are usually 4 reasons. Number 1, your exercises are too easy. Doing 50 easy push-ups may feel impressive, but if you could keep going forever, your muscles aren't being challenged enough. Muscle grows best when your sets get hard near the end. Those last few reps should slow down. You should have maybe 1 or 2 good reps left in you. Number 2, you keep doing the exact same workout. Your body adapts. If you did 10 push-ups 3 months ago and you're still doing the same 10 push-ups today, why would your body need to build more muscle? You need progressive overload. That simply means making the exercise harder over time. More reps, more sets, slower reps, better range of motion, or a harder version of the exercise. Number 3, you're forgetting your triceps. Everybody wants big biceps, but your triceps make up a huge part of the size of your upper arm. So if you want your arms to look thicker from the front, side, and back, you need both. And triceps. And number 4, you're not eating or recovering enough. We'll fix that too. But first, here are the exercises. Exercise 1, chin-ups. Grab a pull-up bar with your palms facing you. Pull your chest toward the bar, then lower yourself slowly. Chin-ups train your back, but that underhand grip also makes your biceps work extremely hard. And don't just drop down. Take about 2 or 3 seconds lowering yourself. That slow lowering part keeps tension on the biceps longer. Can't do a full chin-up yet? Jump to the top and slowly lower yourself down. Those are called negatives. Exercise 2, inverted body weight rows. Find a low bar or another safe, sturdy setup you can pull yourself toward. Grab the bar with an underhand grip, your palms facing you and slightly shoulder width apart. Keep your body straight from your shoulders down to your feet, then pull your chest toward the bar and slowly lower yourself back down. To make it easier, bend your knees and bring your feet closer to you. To make it harder, straighten your legs and move your feet farther away, making your body more parallel to the floor. The lower and flatter your body gets, the more of your body weight you have to pull. That makes this exercise great because you can easily make it harder as you get stronger. And again, think about pulling with your biceps, not just your back. Exercise 3, body weight biceps curls. This one is underrated. Using a low bar, rings, or another secure setup, lean your body backward. Keep your elbows high. Then curl your body toward your hands. Instead of bringing a dumbbell toward your face, you're bringing your body toward your hands. Same idea, different resistance. And if you straighten your body more, the exercise becomes harder. Exercise 4, diamond push-ups. Now, we attack the triceps. Put your hands close together under your chest. Lower yourself under control, then push the floor away. Your chest will still work, but your triceps have to do a lot of the work. Try 8 to 15 clean reps. If regular diamond push-ups are too hard, do them with your hands elevated on a bench or couch. If they become too easy, slow the reps down. Exercise 5, bodyweight triceps extensions. This may be one of the best bodyweight triceps exercises you're not doing. Place your hands on a strong bar, railing, or sturdy surface. Keep your body straight. Then bend your elbows and bring your forehead toward your hands. Now, use your triceps to push yourself back. Think of it like a skull crusher. Except your body is the weight. Move your feet farther away to make it harder. Move closer to make it easier. Exercise 6, dips. Last one, dips. Use parallel bars if you have them. Lower yourself until you get a comfortable stretch, then push yourself back up. Keep your elbows controlled. Your triceps have to work hard to straighten your arms. And remember, you don't need 30 sloppy reps. You want controlled reps that actually challenge the muscle. The bigger arm routine. Here's how I would put it together. Do this workout about 2 to 3 times per week. Do chin-ups, 2 sets, underhand rows, 2 sets, bodyweight biceps, curls, 2 sets diamond push-ups, 2 sets bodyweight triceps extensions, 2 sets dips, 2 sets. Aim for around 6 to 15 reps on most exercises, but the exact number isn't magic. What matters is that the last few reps are hard while your form stays good. When 15 reps become easy, make the movement harder. That's your progressive overload. But your arms can't grow without food. Training gives your body the signal. Protein gives your body the building material. A simple target for someone trying to build muscle is around 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight per day. So if you weigh 170 pounds, somewhere around 120 to 170 grams of protein per day is a solid range. Chicken, eggs, fish, Greek yogurt, lean beef, milk, beans, whatever works for your diet. You don't need some magical arm growth food. You need enough protein and enough total food to support muscle growth. And don't forget sleep. Here's the part people skip. Your arms don't actually grow while you're doing chin-ups. Training creates the signal. Recovery is when your body rebuilds. So smashing your arms every single day can actually work against you. Give those muscles time to recover and try to get around 7 to 9 hours of sleep whenever possible. Because if you're training hard, eating enough protein, getting stronger, but sleeping 5 hours every night, you're making the job harder than it needs to be. So remember, train hard, progress the exercises, eat enough protein, recover, repeat. You do not need a rack full of dumbbells to build bigger arms. Your body can be the weight. You just have to give your muscles a reason to grow. Subscribe to Baby Daddy 2.0 and let's go from dad bod to dad pump.